Are you tired of feeling like your paycheck disappears before you've even had a chance to enjoy it? Do you yearn for financial peace, free from the anxieties of an uncontrolled budget? Well, fret no more, for today we enter Budget Boot Camp, Stoic Edition. In this program, we'll blend the wisdom of Stoic philosophy with practical budgeting strategies. The Stoics, you see, weren't just about beards and contemplation. They believed in living virtuously and with reason, which extends to managing your finances. So grab your metaphorical toga or comfy clothes and get ready to transform your relationship with money through the lens of Stoicism. Part 1. Know thyself and thine expenses. The Stoics emphasize self-awareness as the foundation of a good life. The same goes for budgeting. Just like a Stoic warrior understands their strengths and weaknesses, we need to understand where our money goes. For the next 2 weeks, become a mindful spender. Track every penny, but with a Stoic twist. Reflect on the emotions behind your purchases. Was it a genuine need or a fleeting desire fueled by advertising? Journal your observations. Part 2. Building your Stoic citadel. Prioritizing needs. The Stoics distinguish between needs and desires. Needs, like food and shelter, are essential for survival. Desires, like the latest gadget, are fleeting and often unnecessary. When building your budget, prioritize needs first. This aligns with the Stoic principle of living in accordance with nature, where basic needs take precedence. Key takeaway: a Stoic budget ensures your essential needs are met, without being swayed by fleeting desires. Part 3, the Financial Virtue Challenge, Taming Desires. Now comes the true Stoic test. Here's where you strategize how to allocate your income and potentially curb unnecessary spending. Question: desires. Following the Stoic practice of negative visualization, imagine the downsides of impulse purchases. Will that new jacket truly bring lasting happiness or just clutter your closet? Practice delayed gratification. The Stoics value delayed gratification. Before splurging, wait a designated period. Often, the desire will lessen, saving you money and fostering emotional control. Remember, don't deprive yourself entirely. Allocate some funds for virtuous pleasures, experiences that bring true joy, like spending time with loved ones or pursuing a meaningful hobby. Part 4. Live according to your means. Stoic budgeting tools. Sticking to a Stoic budget requires discipline and reason. Here are some Stoic-inspired strategies. The 50-30-20 rule with a Stoic twist. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to virtuous pleasures, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Focus on experiences over material possessions, aligning with Stoic principles. The Stoic reflection. Regularly review your budget and spending habits. Ask yourself, am I living in accordance with my values? Are my purchases truly necessary for a good life? Bonus tip: embrace frugality as a virtue, not a punishment. The Stoics lived simply and found joy in the essential things, a practice that can translate to financial freedom and inner peace. Part 5. The Stoic Sage. Finding financial freedom. The Stoics believed that true happiness comes from within, not from external possessions. Budgeting with a Stoic approach allows you to set Stoic goals, focus on achieving financial security and freedom from debt. This aligns with the Stoic goal of living virtuously and rationally. Find contentment. As you control your spending and achieve financial goals, a sense of calm and contentment will follow. This aligns with the Stoic pursuit of inner peace. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks, but with dedication and these Stoic budgeting principles, you'll be well on your way to conquering your finances and living a life of virtue and reason. Bonus round: advanced budgeting techniques for the particularly motivated budget warriors. Zero-based budgeting. This method allocates every dollar of your income to specific categories, ensuring there's no leftover money to be spent impulsively. Debt avalanche. Focus on paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first to save money on interest charges in the long run. Debt snowball. This method prioritizes paying off the smallest debts first, regardless of interest rate. The quick wins provide a sense of accomplishment and can boost motivation. Remember, choose the budgeting technique that best suits your financial situation and personality. Congratulations, Budget Bootcamp graduates! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to